Hey friends, welcome back to today's session of Do Not Get It Right. And what are we not getting right today with Savan Kumar is we are not going to see the mirror again. Today we are going to stop looking at the mirror. And you know why? Because we have something more important to look at. We have got something more and really important to look at. And what is that? What does the mirror show you? What does the mirror show you? It shows you the outer you, right? It is important. It definitely is important. But how do you see the inner you? How do you see what is there within you? How do you exactly see what is happening within you and your mind, and how does things happen inside? Do we really have a mirror for that? Do we, or have we got a mirror for that? Yes, there does exist a mirror for that. We do have a mirror where you can exactly see what is there inside you. What is there inside your heart, what is there inside your brain, and what is there inside your whole body. There is a mirror more perfect than the mirror that you see. It tells you extremely nicely, extremely well, and extremely precisely of what is there inside. Excited to know what that mirror is? Excited to know about what that mirror could be? It has always been in front of you. It has always been in front of you. Since you opened your eyes, as kids, we did know what that mirror was. Though we consciously do not know what that mirror is, but we somehow are always aware of it. We are always aware of it. And as a child, we somewhere are even aware of it maybe. But the moment and with every step of our growth, we forget certain things. So now let me break the suspense of what that mirror is that lets you see inside, that lets you understand what's going on inside, and that lets you understand how and the kind of human being you are. Yes, are you ready to see that? I am excited to show you that mirror that will show you who you are and what you are from inside. I am really excited, and I am excited to the core. Let's go to the window. Okay, wherever you are, come on, go to your window, go to your room's window. Or if you're in the car driving, see outside the car. Wherever you are, just see outside and see how you see the world. See how you see the world. Is the world full of hatred? Is the world full of problems? Is the world full of challenges? If yes, then that is you. If the world has a love everywhere, if you see beautiful things everywhere, that is you inside. There could not be a better reflection of you inside than what you see outside. That is exactly what you see outside. How you are from inside. That is how you see the other people outside. How you are from inside. If you do not trust yourself inside, you would never trust anybody outside. If you are never keeping up your commitments, you would never trust anybody that he would be keeping the commitments. Are you getting the idea? If you are promising different things to yourself, but you are not keeping the promises, you will never trust any outsider to keep the promises. If you are so messed up in your mind, you will find everybody else messed up. If you are struggling with so many problems in your life, you will find the world struggling with so many problems. But if you are clear from inside, if you are clean from inside, if you are beautiful from inside, if you are so sorted from inside, you will see the same outside. If you keep the commitments with yourself, you will find everybody else keeping the commitment. If you can trust yourself first, you will see that you are able to trust everybody else also. So, what exactly is it? Yes, it is the window to the world. That is where you get to see the reflection. That is where you get to see yourself within. That is the only way to know yourself. That is the only way to see yourself inside. By seeing outside and then looking inside. This has gone a little, what do I say, spiritual. It's not spiritual, it is practical, 100% practical. It has nothing to do with spiritualities, or it has nothing to do with some mythology or something. It is 100% practical thing, and you can test it out. You can test it out for yourself. And believe me, 100% of the times, 100% of the time, a mirror might lie, but this is never gonna lie. You will see the world exactly the way you are. So, you need to bring the changes that you want to bring to the world first to yourself. Mother Teresa once said that if everybody cleans his house, if everybody cleans the doorstep of his house, the entire world would be cleaner. The entire world would be a better place to live. So, when Mother Teresa knows this, when we know this, why do we need to keep complaining for everything to the outer world? Whatever change we want to see outside, whatever problems we see outside, we first need to figure out how we can sort those problems, how we can clean those things up within ourselves. And once we clean those things within ourselves, once we are able to figure out the answers to the problems, the job is done. The job is exactly and precisely done. You will see that reflection getting clear and getting cleaner. I myself, I remember that until and unless I was putting in my efforts and putting in my hard work and making sure that I trusted myself, keeping up to my commitments, I was full of distrust. I was full of distrust. I never trusted people. I never trusted the government. I never trusted anybody around me. I was so full of distrust because I was not performing, because I was not able to trust myself. I was never able to keep the commitments to myself. If I thought I would be working out today, I never worked out. If I thought I would be getting up early today, I never got up. If I thought I would pass this exam this time, I did not. So when I was not able to keep up my commitments, I was not able to trust myself. And when I was not able to trust myself, the exact same thing happened when I had to trust somebody else. I behaved with them exactly the same way how I should have behaved with myself. But what we do is we start giving excuses to ourselves. For our problems, for our mistakes, what we do is we make a lot of excuses. We create a lot of reasons why we did this and why we did not do this. And at the same time, we start blaming the others. We start blaming others for the problems. We start blaming the entire nation maybe, or the government or the economy for everything that is wrong from our side. When everything is wrong from our side, from within, we are blaming for every single thing outside. And what it ends up with? It ends up with you being a loser. It ends up with you being a failure. It ends up with nothing. So if you want to change how you see the outer world, you first need to change yourself. And if you want to know yourself, you need to start looking at the outer world. That is how you are. That is the exact reflection of who you are and what changes you should be bringing within yourselves to see a better world. The world how you want to see it. The world how you would love to see it. You first need to bring those changes within you. And if you are successful with that, brother, trust me, nothing could be better than that. Nothing could be like it. So, wish you all the best. Wish you all the best in achieving all the successes that you have wanted for yourself. And I am there to answer any of your queries, any of your questions. Feel free to get back to me and I'll be there to help you with anything and everything under the sun that I can help you with. I'll be waiting for your answers, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more and new and the latest ones. Have a good day. Bye-bye.